Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads, and here's how it is done. First, open the Threads app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, you will see your follower count at the top left. Tap on this number to view your followers. Next, tap the following option at the top of the screen to see the list of accounts you are currently following. Look for an option at the top of the list labeled See others you followed on Instagram that you are not following on Threads yet. Tap this to view all the Instagram accounts you are following that haven't yet joined Threads. This list will include both accounts that are already on Threads and those that haven't made the switch yet. Next to each account's name, you'll see a follow button. By tapping this, you are indicating that you want to follow that account on Threads as soon as they join the platform, even if the account isn't on Threads yet. You will automatically follow them once they sign up. If you want to follow all these accounts at once, simply tap the Follow All button at the bottom of the screen. A notification will pop up letting you know that you will automatically follow public accounts on Threads, and requests will be sent to private accounts. Tap OK to confirm, and Threads will start following all the accounts from your Instagram following list. After completing the steps, return to the following section and you will see which accounts have successfully joined Threads. And that is everything you need to know about how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.